Is your AC blowing hot air? Stop. Before you waste $300 on a technician, try these 7 simple fixes you can do yourself in minutes. When your AC stops blowing cold air, it is often due to simple, user-fixable issues. Before calling a technician, try these 7 easy DIY fixes to restore cool air. Replace the dirty air filter. A clogged filter restricts airflow, forcing the system to work harder and causing the coils to freeze, stopping the cooling process. Remove the old filter, check if you can see light through it, and replace it with a new one of the same size. Replace filters every 1 to 3 months. Reset the circuit breaker. If the AC has power but isn't cooling, a tripped circuit breaker in your electrical panel might be the cause. Check your home's breaker panel for any switches in the off or center position. Switch it fully to off, then back to on. Clear the outdoor condenser unit. The outdoor unit, condenser, needs to release heat. If it is covered in debris, grass clippings, or leaves, it cannot release heat efficiently. Clear at least 2 feet of space around the unit. Gently spray the exterior fins with a garden hose to remove dirt, but avoid using high pressure to prevent bending the fins. Verify thermostat settings. Sometimes the setting is wrong, or the fan is running constantly without the cooling mechanism. Set the thermostat to cool and the fan to auto. Ensure the temperature is set below the current room temperature. Check if batteries need replacing. Thaw frozen evaporator coil. If you notice frost on your indoor unit, or the AC is running but blowing warm air, the evaporator coils may be frozen. Turn off the cooling function and turn the fan to on or auto to let the ice melt. Once thawed, check that your filter is clean, as a dirty filter is a common cause of freezing. Unblock vents and registers. Closing vents in unused rooms can disrupt the airflow balance, forcing the AC to work overtime. Check all supply vents and returns to ensure they are open and unobstructed by furniture or curtains. Clear the condensate drain line. If the drain line is clogged with algae or slime, the AC might shut down to prevent water damage. Locate the PVC drain pipe near the inside unit. Use a wet/dry vac to suction out debris from the exit point, or pour a mixture of hot water and vinegar down the drain line to clear it. When to call a professional. If these fixes don't work, you may have a deeper issue. Call a technician if you hear hissing sounds, refrigerant leak, smell burning, or if the unit continues to freeze up. 3-minute rule. Wait at least 3 minutes before turning your AC back on after it shuts off to prevent compressor damage.